Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamda kasngi. Uba press tun tin song bakmi yakatanat kampo yung police uladap aitin syakasang hinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC ba kakwah ya u chairman ba Bobby Marwin ba u general secretary ba San Kupar Nongtro ba kini donlang hakajinyalang yakran iasuk kabanwan. Ya ketika kerwo na kaliang ketenar kampo yang gejela keladep hak ke kubor syakaseng HNLC ya tu uba prestun tensong. Uba dairu usembut menteri rang ba gejela ha ke jingiakren ya kilat pathai kubor men ha ke sauturik unailur. Ka kerwo pasyai baladep ke syong ha ke rai jong ke HNLC banyo jibab bat ke sorkar ka apktien neki ban penyat syakman bat ke jingiakren iasuk ya tu uba prestun tensong. Halor ke jingiakren iasuk bat ke HNLC hi ke sorkar ke kwah ban pentikna yaki sasyisin ban kerpat ya baro khamtam kinong yalam bahalor bakin smobha banwan syakman ngidang ap ya phi na ke sorkar jela bat sorkar kreng ban pelong biang ya ke jingiakren ka bangi kwah bandan ula pendram kani ke jingkentho usembut menteri rangba kalami syisin hadin ba ke HNLC kala penpau ya ke jing persya ka bajur halor ke jingkhot hajar ya general secretary ba San Kupar Nongtro hapdeng ke jingiakren nyesung ke HNLC kala dawaru ya ke sorkar ban menjur ha ka ban mapno ya baru ke kambaman bala pengat ya kinong yalam lem kumta ke seng kala ban wengno ya ladina ke jingiakren nyesung.
This is the normal process of the court. Judiciary and the executive is already separated. I think you understand that. But see, we had a formal talk just once. And in fact, from our side, from both from the central government and the state government, we have requested them, please speed up. What are the issues you wanted for discussion? We are waiting for that. In fact, my appeal to all of them, once again to HNLC leaders, be serious, come up, we are waiting for you. Then we discuss. Because as I said to you, they should not be so panicky about the warrant issued by the court. There's someone issued by the court. This is a normal process, as I said to you. That's why we would like to process the sitting at the earliest possible. Then we will work out all these issues. Pi katang ong pi hakatu ka meeting ng mugong ngila ekren ni kiniki ngi ong lu mangini ekren bat ki bor ke bakamalon. Ndai ban ong tangi tu you vice chairman lagi kita. Ni kwa ban ekren u gibor ke balo. Te laki long serious ni kwa banong ba sobha ni the government both central and state government ni long serious ba bat ke bang kerpat na kaliang jong sarkar long ba sngau ba ai ke decision communicate changi lengba utu u lingman jong ki bat na lengba lingman jong we are ready for the sitting in the days to come. No. Crime is crime. I don't know what do you mean by saying heinous? See, crime is crime, whether big or small, but crime is crime, and it is subjected to the law. So why should you ask that question? That's what I'm saying. The law takes its own course. When there is any criminal activities, we have to do it, and there is no way out for that. As far as HNLC talk is concerned, I would like to assure them once again. I would like to also request all of them, especially the senior leaders, please come forward. We are waiting for you, both central and the state government, for the talks that we would like to have. Then we are waiting for them. We are waiting from their side only. We have already communicated to them. So the ball is now in their court. That's what I'm telling you. The government is waiting for them to reply and fix. And we would like also in the next talk that at least secretary or maybe chairman should also be present in the talk.